Hey YouTube, it's Teenage Toolman. I hope you're all having a great day today. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own Spotify wall art. I started out by going on my phone. I went into Spotify and then I played the specific song that I wanted like on this poster. And then I played it and I went into like the song, you could call it the description, and then I took a screenshot. Then you can crop it, and if you want to, you can take out the background. It looks good either way. Now for printing, you can go on Shutterfly's website and you can get a 4x6 photo for $0. If that deal ends, you can always just go to Walmart and print them out yourself. Once you have the photos printed, you'll create a design. Then you'll take some Scotch tape and put one piece of tape on the back. That way it sticks onto the wall. Then you can recreate that like pattern or design with those photos on the wall. That way you have a cool design on the wall. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more content just like this, like and subscribe.